day 3 of trying to catch this Polara button acting up in the act. So let's hear.
Wait.
Nope.
Wait.
You heard it first. Not glitching this time.
Wait.
It's still not messed up. But about a few days ago, this thing's speaker acted up extremely badly. Listen.
Wait.
I mean, you can.
Wait.
You'll see a video
Traveling
of this.
south. Wait.
The video comes up before this thing does.
Wait. Traveling south.
But yeah, this thing is not malfunctioning again. That's pretty good. Not malfunctioning.
Walk sign is on to cross.
What if the speaker was actually replaced? I'm not sure. But I highly doubt that because the speaker is still very loud. So I'm not sure. It could be fixed, or it probably was. It only acts up very infrequently. There is another pedestrian over there that acts up kind of the same deal too.
Wait.
So you'll see it in a few moments.
Wait.
Still a little bit messed up on this side too.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Not as bad as the other
5,
one, but this one's still pretty bad.
3, 2, 1.
Yellow light. I gotta go to the other side real quick.
Wait. Walk sign is on.
Go ahead.
25, 24, 21, 20, 19.
That's it.